Hey everyone, today I will show you how to view analytics in Shopify. And here's how it is done. Log in to Shopify. Access your Shopify admin dashboard by logging in. Go to Analytics. From the admin dashboard, click on Analytics in the left-hand menu. View Overview Dashboard. The default view is the dashboard, which shows a summary of key metrics like total sales, average order value, and total sessions. You can adjust the date range at the top right to view data for specific periods. Explore Reports. Click on Reports to access detailed reports. Here you can find reports on sales, customer behavior, and marketing performance. Customize reports. In the Reports section, use the filters and options to customize the data you see. You can filter by date range, sales channels, and more. Check Live View. Click on Live View to see real-time data on your store's activity, including active users and current sales. Access Analytics for specific sections. To view analytics for specific sections like products, sales, or customers, navigate to those sections and look for insights or analytics options. And that is everything you need to know about how to view analytics in Shopify. And may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.